Ew.
You need a box of cake mix. What do you think this is?
Water.
Okay, and this is?
You just put egg in there?
This is oil.
Oil?
And this is what?
Egg.
How many eggs?
3.
Okay, good job.
Put a little bit in there.
Yeah, you put all of it.
Olive?
Yeah. Good job. That's okay. Then put first.
Water.
Okay.
Yeah, put this.
Alright.
Ooh.
What are you gonna put next?
Oil.
Okay, good job. What you gonna put next?
Egg. Good.
Okay, put it there.
Ooh. That's it. I'm mixing up the egg. Let's turn it into waffle. There's some on the side.
Let me help you.
What it tastes like?
When it bakes, you'll know.